Hello and good morning, everyone. It's meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Passing showers and clouds and cool wind continues to blow from the north-northwest. Your forecast includes some freezing weekend temperatures and some frosty ones as well. Details are coming up in this version of Hutch's Weather right now.
Now, a Hutch's Weather Update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, as we take a look at your low temperatures yesterday, we did get to those freezing mark, the freezing mark up in the Northern Valley in a couple of locations or below in Marshall County, Minnesota. And we did have some, pretty chilly conditions. Not quite as cold this morning, and our high temperatures were pretty blustery. 40s, 50s, 60s in yellow. It was a cool day yesterday. And we're going to see more of the same as we go through our day today. We'll start out with your forecast digits. Then we'll get you to the hour-by-hour details on the forecast here in just a moment. But first, I want to invite you to watch this week's Weather Kit. If you haven't done so, head over to hutchesweather.com and scroll down to the Weather Kit section and give old Emerson Kuchert's video a watch. Fantastic job, a math and science whiz. Emerson, outstanding work. Thank you for helping Hutch do the weather for your day. We're going to start out with temperatures in the 40s. It'll be a little bit cooler in the Arrowhead of Minnesota, and near the border, we could see some upper 30s briefly, but there's more clouds around the region, and because of those clouds, I expect our temperatures to be, hovering right around that 40-degree mark and a fewer 30s over what we saw yesterday morning. Here's where we have that chance for some freezing conditions, southwest North Dakota with those clearer skies. Now, heading into your afternoon today, I expect temperatures to be in the 55 to 60 degree range up and down the Red River Valley. Cooler weather with passing showers across the central part of Minnesota and the Arrowhead of Minnesota. Not as heavy as today, just pesky showers. And again, gusty winds that by the evening will decrease from west to east. So I expect quiet wind conditions with temperatures kissing 60 degrees out to the west, a cool day across the region, below average for this time of the year. A quick look at the 7-day forecast, and then your hour-by-hour forecast is ahead. Saturday and Sunday, Hutch's Hunch, they're highlighted red. I think we'll see patchy areas of frost and freezing conditions both days, with the best chance in Fargo likely happening on Sunday, and that could even extend into southern Minnesota as well as a cold high pressure system dives south. Then south winds warm us up into next week. Spotty showers and thunderstorms in your forecast as we head into Monday and Tuesday. Then as we look towards 9/11, gusty winds, south winds, and those south winds will warm things up. Hour by hour forecast. Let's look at a couple of different factors in your forecast details right now. And here's two things to keep in mind with our forecast today. As we go through, I do anticipate our temperatures will rise out to the west, but stay cool and brisk here in the east with passing sprinkles. Notice how hit and miss they are, not nearly as robust. Now, as you see these isobars get farther together, that's called a relaxing of the isobars. The winds decrease in strength. So that's what's going to happen as we head into our Saturday morning. And Saturday morning, do you see this blue line here? That's why I think we'll have a chance for some mighty chilly temperatures. Decreasing clouds and winds means our Northern Valley neighbors could see low 30s, dare I say upper 20s in a few places up there with that high pressure system bouncing its way in. Now, as we go into Sunday morning, that's going to work its way. See this high pressure system making its way in to the central and southern valley as we go towards Sunday morning, and that's when I think we'll have our best chance at seeing some of those low to mid 30s here, which means patchy frost likely and isolated freezing not out of the question. I hope you have a wonderful Friday. Stay warm out there. Hutch's Weather is also available to you anytime, anywhere at hutchesweather.com. I'd love to have your photo uploads of your thermometers. Upload them at hutchesweather.com. Let me show you where to go. You go to hutchesweather.com first and foremost, and then you scroll down on the page just a wee bit, and you'll see the photo upload section as you scroll down. Photo uploads right here. You can view the gallery or upload your photos of snapshots right from your phone. Mind you, you can upload the website on your phone and upload your thermometer measurements of your morning low temperatures, because I'll bet you we'll be seeing some cool breezes as we go through. Thanks for joining me on Hutch's Weather. I hope you have a wonderful Friday. I'll be back with updates right here. And again, thank you so much for following me on Facebook, subscribing on YouTube, and liking the videos if you like the content right here. Have a great day.